रब की रहमत का शामिल होना जरूरी है। आइए सब मिलकर ये दुआ करते हैं कि आज का ये प्रोग्राम कामयाबी और खुशियों से भरपूर हो।
Now I request to Alvira ma'am and Adila ma'am to describe our theme, Galaxy of SMD.
When we look up at the night sky, we don't see randomness. We see order. We see beauty. We see stars placed with precision, each one glowing with its own light.
And just like that, the galaxy SMD is a universe of stars. Each student is a star, unique in talent, strong in values and guided by faith. Some shines through knowledge, some shines through creativity, and some shines through discipline. And so, in the galaxy of SMD,
Education is not limited to books. Here, learning works hand in hand with deen, where hearts are nurtured along with minds, and character is valued as much as excellence.
our students are not taught just to shine, they taught why they shine. Because a true star does not compete with each other, it illuminates the path for those around it.
Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran that He made the stars as the guides. And today, our students stand before you, guided by faith, shaped by values, and ready to illuminate the future.
Tonight, you will witness the galaxy come alive through performances that reflect confidence, through experience rooted in the culture and faith, and through moments that celebrate growth, unity, and gratitude.
So, dear audience, fasten your hearts and open your eyes, because you are about to travel through a galaxy where every sparkle has a story.
Where every performance is a constellation of efforts, dua, and dedication. This is not just an annual concert, this is the galaxy of SMD. We, with the blessings of Allah and your continued support, we proudly declare the annual concert open. Let the stars shine, let the galaxy glow, let the journey begin.
Thank you, Adila ma'am, and thank you, Alavira ma'am.
Yes, now, dear audience, you know what is our theme? Yes, Galaxy of SMD. Now it's time to welcome performance as the sun begins its ascent, marking the dawn of a new day. It's embark on our daily journey with determination and zeal. Now I would like to call upon on stage the welcome performance by Small Tots of Standard First. दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से, दिल को सुकून मिलता है मुस्कुराने से, महफिल में रौनक आती है मेहमानों के आने से. This performance is dedicated to our guests.
أهلا وسهلا आफरी खुश आमदी खुश आमदी أهلا وسهلا आफरी खुश आमदी खुश आमदी ए तालिबे इल्म व यकीन खुश आमदी